Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to be performing some maintenance on my door using this tool bag.
Looks like I got two tool bags in front of me.
So, using this screwdriver right here, I'm going to try and fix up my door a little bit by tightening one of these hinges. There. Ta-da! Now you're looking good, door.
That makes one of us.
And all this talk about fixing has really gotten me hungry. I think I'm gonna fix myself up a sandwich.
That joke was bad and you should feel bad.
Ah, door. Don't be so doormatic.
Well, if you're making sandwiches, I'll have a sub.
And speaking of subs, we would really appreciate people subscribing to the channel.
Never mind, I just lost my appetite.
See you, everyone.